Meaning of galliard.
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 Galliard. The word galliard refers to a lively Renaissance dance characterized by leaping steps, jumps, and turns. It was popular in Europe during the 16th century. The dance was typically performed to music that was in fast duple meter. The movements of the dance were meant to be energetic and joyous, and the dancers wore clothing that reflected the festive mood. The galliard was often used as a showcase for skilled dancers, who could perform complex steps and sequences with grace and precision. Overall, the galliard was an important part of Renaissance culture, reflecting the era's emphasis on art, music, and physical expression.